With the cold weather right here with us, hack your way to cold-free health with this simple 3-ingredient drink. If I may ask, are you always feeling under the weather? If yes, try this natural antibiotic and get back on your feet in no time. Yes, this secret remedy will clear your stuffy nose and sore throat in minutes. With this said, I hope you will relax and watch me prepare this natural remedy. But before we dive right in, let me happily welcome you back to the Global Food Book YouTube channel. Welcome back to yet another video. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome, but please keep coming around as we are out to keep releasing interesting content for you. Feel free to click around this channel as we have tons of educational videos you will definitely find helpful. And for my returning subscribers, you are simply amazing. Thank you so much for all your support, and I hope you will keep supporting this channel. So let's move on to making this powerful drink. Here I have 3 lemons, a bunch of ginger and honey. So I started off by thoroughly washing the lemons and ginger with water, vinegar, and salt. I then sliced the lemons and added them in a pot. Then I cut up the ginger into smaller chunks. I went ahead to use my Vitamix food processor to pulse the ginger into tiny bits. Afterwards, I poured the ginger into the same pot of lemons, then added water. I first poured 500 ml water, and then 300 ml water, but you can actually add up to 1500 ml or 2000 ml water. The water quantity depends on your choice of consistency. Then I went ahead to cover the pot and then allow the content to boil. Afterwards, I turned off the heat and let the mixture cool down. I then sieved the contents. Here you can see that we have our ginger and lemon drink ready, but hang on, the honey hasn't yet been added. I let her filter the drink again just to get rid of any pulp or seeds. Afterwards, I added my honey, give it a really good stir. Finally, our powerful drink is now ready. So easy, right? Yeah, so we are super ready to start tackling cough, soothing the throat, and chasing away all sorts of colds. But joke apart, with this powerful drink, you can say goodbye to sleepless nights. Don't take my word for it, give this recipe a try and you'll realize that this powerful drink will definitely calm your cough, soothe your throat, and help you settle down for a restful sleep. Okay? Now let's move on to unraveling more reasons why this drink is so helpful in tackling the cold. But before we do so, let me quickly highlight that these are just potential benefits and more research is needed to confirm them. If you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or have any underlying health conditions, it is always best to talk to your doctor before trying any new remedies. Now let's go. Firstly, ginger lemon honey drink is a popular natural remedy for the common cold, flu, sore throat, and cough. Ginger's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation and pain in the throat, while honey's natural antibacterial and antiviral properties can help fight off infections. Lemon's vitamin C content also contributes to immune function. Ginger's spicy nature can help clear congestion, clear mucus from the nasal passages, and open up the airways. Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, an antioxidant that helps to boost the immune system as well as help reduce inflammation in the sinuses. Vitamin C may also help to shorten the duration of the common cold. Honey is a good source of antioxidants, a natural antibacterial and antiviral agent that can help to fight off infections. It is also a soothing agent that can help to relieve a sore throat and cough. With these few reasons, I hope you've picked 1, 2, or more reasons why this powerful drink shouldn't be found missing in your kitchen. So when next you hit the market, don't forget to buy these key ingredients and make for yourself, family and friends some ginger lemon honey drink, okay? So perfect for this cold winter season. I think that will be all for this video. I'll let you do the rest of the research by yourself. Please let us hear your thoughts about this ginger lemon honey drink in the comment section. If you find this video helpful, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. It's actually free, you know. Please go ahead and share this video as everyone needs to know about this powerful homemade cold medicinal tonic. Don't forget to subscribe to the Global Food Book YouTube channel to be notified once we release a new video. See you in my next video and bye for now.